Welcome back, dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the present tense and its classification. In my previous class I have already discussed about tense and its classification and also the definition of present tense. What is the present tense? Present tense is the form of verb that is created or that is made according to the different present time. That means today, now, this month, this year, etc. And present tense is classified into four categories. First one is simple present tense or present indefinite tense, and second one present continuous or present progressive tense, third one present perfect tense, and fourth one present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive tense. Now I am going to discuss about the first classification, that is simple present tense. First of all, what is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the form of verb that indicates any normal present action which is done at the present time. And there are different variations, different uses of simple present tense. What are the uses? The uses are: simple present tense is used to indicate a general present action. General present action. One example I am giving here. Example 1. Ram goes to school. Ram goes to school. Any general present action or normal present action which is done at the present moment. For example, Ram goes to school. Thereafter, second one, universal truth or eternal truth or general truth. One example I am giving here. Example 2. The earth moves. The earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. It is an eternal truth or universal truth. Thereafter, third point, present habit. One example I am giving here. Ram gets up at 6 a.m. every day. Ram gets up at 6 a.m. every day. That means simple present tense is used to indicate present habit, any habit which is still present or regular habit. Thereafter, function number 4, near future. Simple present tense is also used to express a near future that is a part of the present plan or present arrangement. One example I am giving here. Example number 4. My father starts for America. My father starts for America next Sunday. My father starts for America next Sunday. Here it is indicating near future, but it is a part of the present plan or present arrangement. Thereafter, simple present tense is also used to indicate historical present. Historical present means any past event or any historical event that is showing or that I want to mean that it is happening just now in this way, and this is called historical present. One example I am giving here. Gandhiji leads the freedom movement. Gandhiji leads the freedom movement. Look at this sentence. It happened in the past. It is actually historical event, but the speaker is using simple present tense because he wants to mean or he wants to emphasize that it is happening now, and it is called historical present. Thereafter, simple present tense is also used in imperative sentences. All the imperative sentences always starts with, or always imperative sentence are used with simple present tense. One example I am giving here, example number 6. Get up from bed early in the morning. Get up from bed early in the morning. Here, this sentence is imperative sentence, and in imperative sentence, always simple present tense is used, just like here, get. Thereafter, in exclamatory sentences beginning with here or there, simple present tense is also used in exclamatory sentences which begins with here or there. Example I am giving here, 7. Here comes the boy. Here comes the boy. Here simple present tense we can use. Another example, there goes the principal. There goes the principal. Here also simple present tense. That means simple present tense is used to indicate a general present action, universal truth or eternal truth or general truth, present habit, any habit that is a part of the present action. Thereafter, simple present tense is also used to indicate near future, that is a part of the present plan or present arrangement. Thereafter, simple present tense is also used to indicate any historical event, so that it seems that it is happening now. Thereafter, simple present tense can also be used in imperative sentences. Simple present tense can also be used in exclamatory sentences beginning with here or there. Okay, bye students.